Today we are talking about Citra and Noisy. And bro, how did it escape? Did did your garage open? Did you not close your garage, bro? Are you that dumb? It's going to Canada, bro. It's going to Canada. I'm not. I'm on the red and the orange part, bro. I might be cooked. Bro, why? Are you that dumb? Seriously, bro? Ritra, how did it escape? And second of all, why are you that dumb of closing the garage? Bro, it's not even a dog. It's just a 10-foot fireproof 10 feet fireproof waterproof bulletproof killer robot, bro. What do you mean it's just for fun? Voodoo just made another one, bro. Are you so dumb? We're all cooked, bro. Goodbye, bro. I don't mean to do that. No, I'm not doing that. And if you stop doing this, honestly, if it's bomb proof or nuke proof, we gotta stop it, bro. Just why, bro? It's not funny. Kaser out, bye. Kaser out, bye.